Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for tuning in today. This is Amanda Ray coming to you with a quick video. And what we're going to discuss today is List Infinity. And I wanted to do a review about List Infinity because I haven't talked about it in quite a while, but I have been consistently promoting this opportunity and it's actually doing really well. Not only that, I see a lot of people are joining this opportunity over the last few months. And I want to talk about some of the benefits of actually joining List Infinity and the reason why I got started with List Infinity. I'm going to give you some of the pros and cons of List Infinity, but not only that, I'm going to let you see into the back office basically what it's all about. And again, we're going to go over why I decided to join this opportunity. So right now you're looking at my Stripe account. Passive Income Online is the name of my company. That's how I decided to brand myself with my third-party payment processor. And as you can see here, I have some payments that I have that went straight to my bank account from my Stripe account. One of the things that I love about List Infinity is that you can actually use any third party payment processor. You can connect that to your account and all of the payments will go directly to your third party payment processor. So a lot of people, they use Stripe or they use PayPal. You can use authorize.net and basically connect that to your List Infinity account, and then you'll start to get your payments sent directly to your third party payment processor. So here is just, I covered up some personal information, but here is just some of the payments that I received utilizing this system and other systems as well, but mainly List Infinity is one of the opportunities that I'm currently promoting, and I have been doing so for almost a year now because it is paying out consistently. So here, if we go to List Infinity, this is what it actually looks like, the back office. You can come in as a free member and then upgrade. There's only certain things that you get as a free member. Once you upgrade to a paid member, it opens doors for you to make a substantial amount of money in a short time. With List Infinity, they're going to teach you how to build your email list. Not only that, they're going to show you how to generate traffic within the online space to start to have people wanting to know what it is that you do. Here, as you can see, it's going to give you your referral link as soon as you join the opportunity. Your referral link, you'll be able to copy this and send this out to people as more people ask and inquire about what it is that you do online. It's going to also give the name of your sponsor, and then it's going to show up as a pro member. If you come in as a free member and you pay and you don't see this upgraded, reach out to me and I will upgrade your link so that you get the benefits of being an upgraded member. Now, one of the things that I love about this is you can get started with as little as $25. This is a low ticket offer. They have the $75 option, they have the $100 option. And if you come in and you pay the $100, you will be upgraded as a pro member. Once you are in the step one, they're going to show you exactly what to do step by step. It's not going to take a long time to set up your account. You're going to complete the system setup. So if you are a free member, you only need to complete the first 3 steps to build your email list. If you upgrade to starter or pro, you will need to set up your payment processor so you can get paid. So you're not going to set up the payment processor until you upgrade, because as a free member, you can start to grow your list, but you cannot accept payments. Okay, you can just grow your email list. If you have a PayPal account, it's as easy as entering your PayPal email address. If you want to use Stripe, in addition, you will be entering your payment links. Okay, so you just follow the step-by-step instructions. That's going to allow you to input all of your information to set up your membership area. Okay, after that, you're going to go to step 2, which is going to be building your email list. You're going to click lead capture pages, and you're getting one of the links to set up your capture pages. Now, they're going to give you a few different lead capture pages. You can choose the one that you like the most. They have some new ones that came out. As you can see, the links is already there for you. So you don't need to create the link. The link is already there. These are the new capture pages that they have out. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you in another video how to add this capture page to your domain name. So when you go to create your domain name, you will actually take this link and send it to your domain name. And now you have your domain name connected to your capture page. So this is not the raw link that you're going to send out, you're going to send out the domain name that's going to be affiliated with your capture page. So they have a few different options here. These are high converting, tested capture pages that you can use. And one of the things you'll notice is that they're very simple. They're very easy to the eye. I tell people the less stuff on it, the better. Here you have build an email list and generate passive income. Here, you have one here, discover the 3-step system for making $100 to $300 per day. And then you have these brand new capture pages that you can use to build your list as well. So I highly recommend doing that because, again, it's going to allow you to start creating momentum, and not only that, being able to collect these payments unlimited. The one thing that I also love about this opportunity is that this is a one-time payment. You do not have to worry about paying monthly for any of this training that you're going to get for the tools or the system. This is a one payment process, one and done. Okay. So once you pay, if you want to upgrade, of course, you'll pay more to upgrade to the higher level, but you can always start right at the $100 level, or you can work your way up. With building your email list, every 5th lead that your referrals generate is going to be passed up to you. So this is going to help you, again, to grow your email list at a faster rate. So not only are you getting paid from your efforts in growing your list, but also the efforts of your team. Now, you're not actually giving them payments. You're giving them some of your emails. Okay. So there's a difference in that. Don't think that you're passing up payments. You are passing up some of your leads. Okay. So the more people you refer, the faster your list is going to grow, and you're going to get these payments instantly. So at the starter level, it's $25 for every person that joins. Okay. These payments are sent directly to your payment processor. When you upgrade to the advanced level, you will be paid $25 for every person you refer. Also, upgrades to starter level at $50. Okay. So if people upgrade to the next level, it's $50 for each person that comes in. And if you upgrade to pro, it's going to be $100. So you can get paid anywhere between $20, $50 to $100 for each and every person that joins the opportunity. And that can really start to add up over time, as you have people just dropping in $25, dropping in $50 every day, $100 every day. And this is going to allow you to start building and creating that momentum within your business. So here they do have trainings. They have the Facebook marketing plan. They have the success mindset, which is very important. When working your business, your mindset has to be in the right place. They go over that and how to really get things in order to start maintaining and growing a business. They have the solo ad secrets. So if you want to use solo ads, they have the solo ad Rolodex, Instagram marketing, YouTube, everything that you need in order to be successful, you're going to find it under your training. The training is very thorough. It's easy to understand and also easy to apply. Okay. So I'm going to be doing a playlist about List Infinity, and I would love for you to follow the playlist, subscribe to the channel if you're not yet subscribed, because we're going to be going over how to make money with the system and how it can benefit you, and it can be life-changing if you apply what you're learning and you're consistent with applying those skill sets that you're going to learn with List Infinity. So thank you so much for watching this video. Again, subscribe to watch the playlist for this week, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Have a great day.